Hello, everybody. It is March 5th, 11:08, 12 seconds. Doing too many things at once here. This is the main drawing for the Spider-Man 7 5.5 slab. Over here are the 31 filled spots. Got this thing filled up in about an hour and 20 minutes. Congratulations on doing that. Roll the 3 dice. The number is 12. I'm going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. I'm going to do my best to actually get it out in today's mail. Worst case, it ships tomorrow, March 6th, Wednesday. So good luck to everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12, spot 12. Mike Fazzini, congratulations. Time is 11:09 and 9